Very good afternoon, student. Today we are going to discuss about status of woman. The previous section we are learned the Vedic culture. Who is the head of the tribal? The Rajan. The powers were limited by a tribal assembly, or the name are called Vidak, Sabha, Samadhi and Gana. Of this Vida is a tribal assembly, is the oldest assembly. Sabha means council of elders. Samadhi means assembly of people. That time they collected the tax. What's the name is called the tax name? Pali. It's a tax consisting of 1/6 of the agriculture produce or cattle for a person. So now we are going to see about the status of woman. In Vedic society, women relatively enjoyed some freedom. They having some freedom for the women. The wife was respected as the mistress of the household. Mistress means what is that? Is a husband. She could perform along with the husband what is the rituals. And what is and all they banned child marriage and sati was unknown. Child marriage means below 10 years they got marriage. Sati means husband will be dead, the same fire is a band with wife. There was no war on the remarriage of widows. Husband die means the women will be want to get remarriage. Nevertheless, the women were denied. What's the denied mean? Right to inherit the property from their parents. They not allowed to the women for the parents' property. They played no role in the public affairs. In the later Vedic period, the role of the woman in society as well as their status even within the family or declined. They won't allow to rituals. They want to give the respect for the mistress, for the household, for wife. This all will be declined. Women could no longer perform the ritual in the family. The rules of the marriage become more complex. So confusion and reached. Polygamy become the common. Polygamy means one person married with more than women. Widow remarriage was not encouraged. The same format they follow the later Vedic period. Education was denied to the woman. They not allowed to the educated for the woman. Intercaste marriage was the spurned, means a refuse. They rejected. They married to the another caste people mean they want to allowed. What's the economic life? Economic in the Vedic period was sustained by the combination of the patriotism and agriculture. Though occupation of the Vedic Aryans was, what is the main occupation the Aryans? Cattle rearing. They were another they are land, carpenter, chariot makers, potters, smith and weavers and leather workers. They using what is the pottery mean? Ochre color pottery. Ochre color pottery means brown sage culture. What is the culture ma? Brown sage culture. They are used in what is the place? Indo-Gangetic plain. In this period, what is the animal they domesticated? Horses, cows, goats, sheep, oxen, dogs are domesticated for the Vedic period of Greek. When Aryans permanently settled in Sindhu and Punjab religion, they began to practice, what is it they practice more? Agriculture. The staple crop was yava. What does it mean? Yava means barley. There is no mention of they cultivate, no at all cultivate in the wheat or cotton in the Rig Veda. Though both are cultivated by the, who's the cultivated these two? Wheat and cotton. Who's cultivated? Indus people. The two crops are hereby raised. In the later period, the Aryans are tamed afterwards. Later, what is the animal? Elephant. Apart from what is the cow, goat, sheep and horses. In addition, they have learned that what is the craftsman, the early Vedic period, they were also jewelers, dyers and smelters. Dyeing of cloth is a color adding. And smelter means metal, it is the ore. They getting the animal, they getting the metal from the ore. And they are using what is the culture ma? Painted graver culture. What is the culture? Painted graver culture. It is the Iron Age culture of the, what is the part they use? In the Western Gangetic plain. What is the place? Western Gangetic plain. Use of the iron plug and axe helped to put the more areas of the land under the cultivation. They are using what is the iron plug and axe. Crops of what is the wheat, rice and barley were cultivated. They will be land and cultivate the crops of barley. After they will be added to cultivate the wheat and rice. With the growth of agriculture, the idea of private the possession of the land came to extend. A small land they cultivated. They want another cultivate more crops, they extend the land. New crafts and art developed, leading the surface production of the commodities for sale. Olden days they have another sale with one things mean they using the barter system. Barter system means exchange the goods. After the Rig Vedic and later Vedic period, they will be all will be extant. The barter system was prevalent. They used to do another exchanging the money. They used to what is the mean Niska, Satmana and Krishnala. What is that and all? Niska and Satmana is the gold coin and Krishnala is the silver coin. The both three will be used for business transaction. What is the metal? No, the Rig Vedic period. What is the metal? Gold. They call the Kranaya. What is the name? Kranaya. Iron means Shama. What is the name? Shama. Copper and bronze is called Yas. What is the name? Yas. The Rig Vedic Aryans worship mostly the earthly and another celestial gods is the sky. Like what is the god? Prithvi. Prithvi means earth. Agni means fire. Vayu means wind. Varuna is a rain. Indra means thunder. This all god will be they are worshipped in the Rig Vedic Aryans. They also lesser female deities like Adi. What is the name of Adi? The female deities. Goddess of eternity and Usha is the appearance of the Davan. So this their religion was another Ajana is the chanting of Vedic mantra. Chanting of Vedic mantras. The mode of the prayer was the recitation of Vedic hymns is the practice of God. Praise the God. People prayed for the what is the purpose they will be prayed to God mean welfare of the praja. Praja means what is the children. Pasu is the cattle. Their main occupation what is the cattle rearing. So they want to save with their cattle. And dana. Dana means wealth. Money. How was considered the scared animal? They were no temple. The olden Rig Vedic period they have no temple. No ideal worship also. So they ate into, they only just seeing the sky and pray to God. They will imagination. Later on, price could become the profession and hereditary one. One by one. This price could mean her father will be a priest means afterwards her son. The one by one. New gods were perhaps adapted from non-Aryans. Indra and Agni lost their importance. They are created three gods. What is the Prajapati, Vishnu and Rudra. Prajapati means the creator. What is the name? Creator. Vishnu means the protector. Rudra means the destroyer. The Hindu god we are calling no Shiva, Vishnu and Brahma. Brahma is called Prajapati. Vishnu is called the protector. The Rudra means Shiva. Become prominent. Sacrifice and rituals become the more elaborated that period of later Vedic period. What is the education they follow the olden days? The Gurukula system of education. The Gurukulam system is Asian learning method. What is the Gurukula system is an Asian learning method. The word Gurukula is combination of the Sanskrit word Guru means teacher of master. Teacher or master. Kula means family or home. The Shishya assisted with their Guru and served them and simultaneously learned and gained the knowledge. Along with the Guru who stayed with the Sishyas. What they will do? Guru and served them and simultaneously they learn and gain the knowledge. The student received the education through oral traditional meaning, no written format and rote learning and were required to another memorize everything. They don't have the notebook. The subject of the studies include the four Vedas, Edikas, Puranas, grammar, logic, ethics, astrology, maths and military science. The students were also trained to lead a disciplined life. Only diyas could be another sishyas. No woman could have formal education. That time not allowed the woman for educated. So only another men. Age-based asrama. Towards the end of the later Vedic period, the concept of the 4 stages in the life. The 4 asramas developed. First one is the Brahmacharya. What is that? Brahmacharya. This is a student life. And Krigasa. What is the name? Krigasa is a married life. Vanaprasas. What is the name? Vanaprasas. Going to the forest to meditate. Sannyasa. After the meditation, they are going to last final stage is the sannyasa, leading a life of man ascetic, so they attain the swaga. To attain the swaga. So here is the end with the Vedic culture. So student, you all learn and come this 2 part. I'll ask question for next section. Thank you, student.